Pang Luis, ikaw ba yan?
Newspaper. Chef. Sorry. Sniper years.
Hindi na siya na dito, di ba? Accountancy nga. Architecture. Pero sabihin ko sa tarasan.
Sorry, parang hindi ko alam yan.
Di ba ba mano-mano?
Sorry.
Okay na yun. Ano meron?
Hindi, parang ako sabihin ko.
Classroom in Margo to be one. Accounting is a risk activity that instructions to provide quantitative information for microfinance information about economic activity which is intended to be useful in economic decision
Bakit English ka, kuya? Bakit mo
Andiyan yung baba. Chinit.
Pinag-pinang president ko ay modern meaning ng accounting. Ang traditional meaning ng accounting is the art of classifying, recording, gathering, summarizing information that are financial in nature, which will help the decision makers to execute the best decisions that they have in their business. Now, with the question why I think accountancy, because it's like what you have learned